welcome to the Iron Grip Supplement Review. We're going to go over some supplements that I'm taking right now. I hope you like it. Alright, so this is the supplement review. These are the supplements I'm taking. So, this is a protein, mycellular casing, which is a protein you take. It's for rest and recover. 26 grams of protein, 4 carbs, 140 calories, vanilla. I take this before I go to sleep. So when your body's fasting, it has protein, so you're not being catabolic. So you don't lose the muscle mass you build when you're sleeping. This jug is about 35 bucks, 2 pounds. So usually, the rule of thumb is protein. A pound's usually 10 bucks. So it's a little high priced, but they throw some BCAAs in there, stuff like that. So this is what it is. So it's a mycellular. It tastes very good. It's not really has a sweet flavor. It's just like a steady protein. It clears up. It dissolves. It's good. Looks like this. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. This is a scooper. You want 2 of these, so it's pretty big. So you go through it pretty fast. So that's the vanilla. Put that away. Here is the pre-workout. This is from EAS, Experimental Applied Sciences, the myoplex line. I took this stuff in the 90s, but the other stuff, but this is their new stuff they came out with. So I came up with a pre-workout. I actually wrote to them to tell them to come out with a pre-workout and a BCAA. So I guess you read my emails. This is called lemon berry. So it has 5 grams of beetroot extract, peak ATP and caffeine, and beta alanine. Peak ATP is so when you work out, your muscles don't get fatigued. Beta alanine gives you energies and pumps. So calories 25. You put 1 scoop. So that's what it looks like. This is a scooper. It's really delicious, honestly. It tastes very good. It doesn't even taste like a pre-workout. You know what I mean? And the thing is, what people don't know about pre-workout stuff like that, what you want to do before you scoop anything is you want to shake it. So shaking it would be like this. So you just get the particles together, because most of the heavy particles will sit on the bottom. So you just want to agitate it, I guess, before you do it, you know. This is the BCAA. This is what you would take during your workout as electrolytes. You know what I mean? This is orange flavored.
Best kind.
It has leucine, isoleucine, and valine. This tastes very good. It tastes like Tang, if you like Tang juice. It's orange flavored. I'm almost done with this. This is about $30. You know what I mean? You put a scoop of this. You see the scoop. This is about $30 worth. So this is about 30, 35, 30 for the pre. So shit. No, okay. So if you do it, yeah, 35 for the protein, about 30 for the pre-workout, 30 for the BCAA, and then this is the wheat they make. You can find this at Target, Walmart, wherever it is, Walgreens. This is about 17, 18 bucks, 2 pounds. It's just wheat protein you can take after you work out, before you work out. 26 grams of protein. It's pretty good. It's got some BCAAs. You know, 2 scoops is 150 calories. So, this is what it comes with this awesome container. Pretty done already. That's not the scooper. It's a regular size scooper. So that's what I'm taking right now. So I figured I would try all of them together without changing the brand, just to see, you know, how I like it. So we're gonna see how we do on this. I've been taking it. I'm gonna start religiously. So we'll see how the ASA goes. So far, this is very good tasting pre-workout. Very good. It tastes very good. It doesn't taste like medicine. The BCAA is beautiful. It tastes good. And the vanilla is delicious. So altogether, $100 something for this stack. You know what I mean? If you don't want to do any of that stuff, you could just eat real food. Get rid of these two. Just do the BCAA and do the pre-workout. You know what I mean? It's whatever your budget is. So this is my supplement review on the ESA products, which I'm there's other ones you could stack, but this is basically the core that you might need. So I hope you enjoy it. Iron Grip out.